Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello, I am Anwit. Welcome back to another fresh video of my channel Art with Anwit. So in this video I will unbox this box which I buy from Amazon. So you know that what is inside the box from thumbnail or the title. So this time I first buy a Faber polychromos color pencil. So they pack it very well. So you can see they wrap it very tight. That's the box. Wow. I am very excited to open the box. Now let's see what is inside the box. Wow, this looks like very good. So you can see this is the box. It is look like amazing. So you can see it is from Faber 60 set color pencil. Here they give the all color numbers. So I now unwrapped the box. So this is the time to open the box. I am very excited to see what is inside the box. So let's open the box. Wow, that is cool. And that is amazing. Look the colors. Look it. So they give a small manual book. I will show you the manual book here. You can see what is in the manual book. They give a lot of techniques of using color pencil. You can see that. And they give all the color and with their numbers. This is a chart to maintaining the color balance. So I keep it here. Now let's see the colors. Can you see it properly? Oh yes. Yes, you can see the tag of Faber castell. Wow, the pencils look very good. These pencils are, I am very excited to use these pencils. The box is very good to keep the pencils. So I will try to make some color pencil videos next. So this is the end of the video. If you like it, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye. Hey, if you like this video, your friends might too. Please help me out and share this video with your favorite social network. And don't forget to subscribe.